Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube auto-translate for titles. First, open the preferred browser on your PC. Now use the search bar to search for YouTube. After that, visit the first website as shown here. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Then, you will find various options on the left and top sides. If you want to change the language, click on your profile. In the drop-down menu, you will find the language translation icon. Here, click on it and scroll down to find the English language. Click on English US and it will change the language of your YouTube. Next, go to the New tab. Use the search bar to search for YT Auto Translator extension. It will show you various websites as a search result. Then, visit the TubeBuddy website by clicking on it. You can also search for the extensions in the Chrome Web Store. Lastly, add this extension to your Chrome browser. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.